Dear students, Namaste and welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the previous session, we have discussed first four questions from exercise 11.2. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from exercise 11.2. Let's move on to the topic. Next, we shall discuss question number 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. First of all, we will go through the question and we will make a rough figure. By using that rough figure, we will draw the actual one later on. And then we will write the steps of construction. That is the way we are going to do this question. So first line is draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. So we have to draw a line segment AB whose length is 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So take 4 cm in your compass, fix at A, draw the circle. Taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Again, use your compass, take 3 cm, fix your compass at B, draw the circle. So we are asked to construct tangents from A to this blue circle, and A is the center of the green circle, and again from B to the green circle, and here B is the center of the second circle. So let's take one by one. If you consider one circle, that is this green circle with center A, B is an external point. So if you want to draw a tangent from B, what we have to do is we have to join AB and we have to bisect AB. Then we have to take from the center to A distance and we have to draw the circle. And again, if you want to construct tangents to the circle with center B, means A is outside of B, external point. So again we have to join B to A and we have to bisect AB. The same process we have to follow. Means in both the cases we have to draw the bisector of AB, perpendicular bisector of AB. So that is our next step. So we have to bisect AB. For that, use your compass, take more than half of length of AB, fix at B, draw two arcs, and using the same radius, fix your compass at A, cut those arcs, and these two arcs are intersecting at 2 points here. So join these 2 points and label the midpoint as M. Now take AM as a radius, or BM also you can take, because AM and BM are same. M is the midpoint. So take AM as a radius, fix at M your compass and draw another circle. Now the new circle is meeting the previous circles at 4 different points. One is here, another one is this one, third one is here, and the fourth one is here. So let's label these 4 points as X, Y, R and S. So from the center A we can draw two lines, that is one is towards R and another one is towards S. Means AR and AS are the tangents to the circle with center B, and again here XB or BX and BY are the tangents towards the circle with center A. So let's join these two lines. Now the tangents we have drawn from the center of the first circle, tangents are drawn towards the second circle with center B, and again here from the center of the first circle we have drawn tangents to the circle with the center A. So XB, YB, AR and AS are the required tangents. So this is the rough plan, and by using this one we will draw the actual one. Take your ruler and draw a line segment of length 8 cm and label it as AB. Then take 4 cm in your compass, fixing at A, draw a circle with A as center. Then take 3 centimeter with B as center, draw another circle. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Take more than half of length of AB and draw arcs up and down with B as center. And again, using the same radius with A as center, cut those arcs which you have drawn previously and join the point of intersection of two arcs. And label the midpoint as M with BM as radius and M as center. Draw a circle. And the new circle intersects the previous circle. The point of intersection we have to mark as R, S, X and Y. So join A to R, A to S. So AR and AS are the tangents now. And then from B to X you have to join. And from B to Y. So BX and BY are the tangents. Next we have to write the steps of construction. As I have mentioned you before, the steps of construction you have to write by using your own sentences without grammatical mistakes. So I request all the students write your own sentences. Please do not copy this one. This is a sample steps of construction. The first step is draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Take A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Take B as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the line AB and label the midpoint as M. Take M as center, draw circle with radius MA or MB which intersects the circles at the points X, Y, R and S. Join AR, AS, BX, BY. The required tangents are AR, AS, BX and BY. Next we shall discuss question number 6. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm and angle B equal to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So this is a very important question, and when we compare with other questions, this is a little bit difficult also to construct. So as we have done the previous question, first of all we will draw the rough diagram and will explain the process, and then we will go with the actual one, then the steps of construction. So that is the plan. Next we are going to draw the rough figure and I will explain the process of construction also. So by using that rough figure we are going to draw the actual one. After that we will write the steps of construction. First of all, draw a line segment BC of length 8 cm. Then since we have to draw a right triangle ABC, at B we have to draw 90 degree. For that draw an arc. Using the same radius, fix your compass at here. Draw one arc. Again fix your compass at this point, one more arc, and then we have to bisect this length. Means fix your compass here, draw one arc upward and fix your compass here, cut that arc. So these two arcs are intersecting at this point and join that point and B. You know how to construct 90 degree angle. Now angle B, this angle is 90 degree. Now AB length is given to us 6 cm. Take 6 cm in the compass, fix at B, cut the line. Then label the point as A and the length of AB is 6 cm. Then join A to C by using ruler. Now according to the question, from B we have to draw a perpendicular to AC. In the sense you have to fix your compass at B, stretch your compass up to A, this AC line. Fix your compass at B and stretch until it reaches the line AC. So draw one arc on the left side, draw another arc on the right side. So this way it will come. Fixing your compass at B and take your compass and fix it here. You can reduce the length, or if you want to keep the same length, you can use it as radius. Fix here and draw one more arc upward and fix the compass here and cut that arc. And these two arcs are intersecting at this point. Join this point to B. So the line segment is there and it is meeting at AC at D. Then we have to come to the line segment BC and we have to bisect BC. So for that, take more than half of length of BC using your compass. Fix at B, draw arcs, and fix at C, cut those arcs, and join the point of intersection of arcs using your ruler, and you will get the center of BC as O. Then taking OB as a radius, draw a circle, and that circle will pass through B, D and C. The first part of your construction or the question is over. Next we have to draw tangents from A to the circle. Tangent from A to the circle. That process remains the same as before. Now the center of the circle is O and the point A is outside the circle. So for drawing tangents we have to join AO. Then we have to bisect AO. So take more than half of length of AO and fix at O. Draw one arc up and down and fix at A. Cut those arcs and using ruler join. And the meeting point or the midpoint we will get, OA midpoint we will get and take it as O dash. And using your compass, take AO dash as center, draw a circle. And this circle will meet the previous circle at 2 points. One is here and another one is here. So this point is already B, we have labeled. The another point, we label it as E. AB and AE are the required tangents. So we have to join AB and AE. Use your ruler, draw 8 centimeter line segment. And label it as BC. Next we have to make an angle 90 degree at B. For that you have to take any radius in your compass and draw a semicircle with B as center. Using the same radius you have to divide the semicircle which you have drawn previously into two parts. Then using the same radius you have to bisect. You have already learned how to draw 90 degree at a point. That is what we are doing here. Then join the point of intersection of the arcs which you have drawn and the point B. Now at B 90 degree angle is formed. Next take 6 centimeter in your compass. With B as center, cut 6 centimeter on the line which you have drawn previously and label the point or mark the point as A and join AC. Next we have to draw a perpendicular from B to AC. For that fix your compass at B and stretch your compass up to the line AC, and you have to draw two arcs by keeping your compass at B on the left and right side of the line segment AC. So you have to draw two arcs with B as center. And now we are going to bisect the space between or the length between the two arcs which you have drawn. For that take any convenient radius between the two arcs and draw the arcs by using your compass. And mark the point of intersection of those two arcs which you have drawn and join it to the point B. Now the perpendicular from B to AC is drawn and that angle is 90 degree and label that point as D. Now we have to bisect the line segment BC. For that, take more than half of length of BC and with B as center, draw two arcs above and below of the line segment BC. Using the same radius with C as center, cut those arcs which you have drawn previously and join the point of intersection of the two arcs. The perpendicular bisector of BC is drawn and label the midpoint as O. Now with O as center and OC as radius, we have to draw a circle. And this circle is passing through the points B, D and C. So the first part of your question is over. Next, by using your ruler, join A to O because we are going to draw the tangents from an external point A to the circle with center O. For that we have to bisect AO. So take more than half of length of AO, draw two arcs which is on top and bottom of the line AO and using the same radius with A as center, cut those arcs which you have drawn previously and join the point of intersection of those two arcs. And label the midpoint as O dash. Now the length of AO dash and O dash O are same because O dash is the midpoint. So with O dash as center, we have to draw a circle. So take O dash A or O dash O, any radius, and fix at O dash and draw a circle. So the new circle is intersecting the previous one at 2 points. Mark those point of intersection of two circles. One is at the point B itself, another one new point we have got. So we have to join these 2 points to A. So AB is drawn and it is a tangent, one of the tangent of the circle, and another one the new point of intersection and the point A also we have to join. This is the second tangent and we have to label the point of intersection as a new point that we can label it as E. So AB and AE are the tangents to the circle. Now let's write the steps of construction. Draw line segment with base BC 8 cm. Construct angle B is equal to 90 degree. Take B as center and draw an arc with a measure of 6 cm. Let the point be A where the arc intersects the ray. Join the line AC. ABC is the required triangle. Draw the perpendicular from B to AC. The next point is draw the bisector of BC. Label the midpoint as O. Draw the circles with BO as radius and O as center. Passes through the points B, C and D. Join AO and draw its perpendicular bisector. Label the midpoint as O dash. Take O dash as center and AO dash as radius. Draw a circle. This circle intersects the previous circle at the points B and E. Join points A and E. Therefore, AB and AQ are the required tangents. Next, we shall discuss question number 7. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point P outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangent from this point to the circle. First of all, I would like to tell you this question you will do it yourself. I will explain the process of construction by using a rough diagram, and the steps of construction also will be given to you. You have to draw the original diagram as homework. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. If you draw a circle with the help of a bangle means you will not be knowing where the center is. But if you draw a circle with the help of a compass, you know where the center is. So this is the difference between the previous question and this question. Here, by using a bangle, you have to draw a circle. Our next task is to find out where is the center, because for drawing the tangent from an external point, you must know the center. For that, what you have to do is you have to draw two non-parallel chords AB and CD. Non-parallel chords in the sense they must not be parallel. And if you know or if you recall the concept of chord, a line segment whose endpoints are on the circumference of the circle, that is chord. Here when you check AB, the points A and B are on the circumference of the circle. When you check CD, the points C and D are on the circumference of the circle. So AB and CD are the two non-parallel chords, and if you draw the bisector of AB, the perpendicular bisector of the chord will pass through the center. In class 9 you have studied. Perpendicular bisector of a chord will pass through the center. So next what you have to do is you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and the perpendicular bisector of CD. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector by using ruler and compasses. Take more than half of length of AB, fix at A, draw two arcs. Using the same radius, fix your compass at B, cut those arcs and join the point of intersection of the arcs by using ruler. The same process you must apply for CD also. Take more than half of length of CD, fix at C, draw two arcs, and using the same radius, fix at D, cut those arcs, and these two point of intersection of arcs you have to join by using ruler. The two perpendicular bisectors are meeting at this point. So this must be the center of the circle. Label it as O. So up to this much I will explain. The remaining process you know. Now you have a circle with the center O. Just like the first question, you are asked to draw a tangent. Draw tangents from the external point to the circle. Here external point measurement is not given to you. So you can take any point outside with any measurement. According to your convenience, you can take the measurement. Then you have to join that external point to O, then bisect, then draw the circle. That circle will meet at this circle at two different places. Join those 2 points. Next, you have to write the steps of construction. Here, steps of construction you have to write after constructing the original diagram, and you have to write by using your own sentences. And here, the steps of constructions are given to you for reference. While construction, if you have any doubt, you can just go through these steps of construction. Please do not copy. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Draw two non-parallel chords such as AB and CD. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and CD. Take the center as O where the perpendicular bisector intersects. To draw the tangents, take a point P outside the circle. Join the points O and P. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of the line PO and the midpoint is taken as M. Take M as center and MO as radius. Draw a circle. Let this circle intersect the previous circle at the points Q and R. Now join PQ and PR. Therefore, PQ and PR are the required tangents. Dear students, today we have discussed 3 questions, and out of these 3 questions, question number 6 was little bit of confusing. I request all the students to go through the steps of construction and the process which is explained to you here, and take a sheet of paper and construct the diagrams separately. And while constructing, if you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching.